Hello, my wonderful students. Students, today we will start our new chapter, that is heat and its effect. So let's start.
Heat and its effect. What is heat? Students, the experiments conducted by Count Rumford and James Prescott in the beginning of the 19th century established that heat is a form of energy known as thermal energy. Many other forms of energy can be converted to heat energy, and heat energy can be converted to other forms of energy. For example, when you rub your hands together, mechanical energy gets converted to heat energy and your hands become warm. When fuel is burned, chemical energy stored in the fuel gets converted to heat energy. In an electrical heater, electrical energy is converted to heat energy. When a solid, a liquid, or a gas is heated, its molecules gain energy and start moving faster. The more we heat the substance, the faster its molecules move. Heat energy is therefore the energy of movements of molecules. Effects of heat. When we heat a substance, the movement of its molecules increases. This increases the average distance between the molecules. Therefore, the space occupied by the molecules, that is, the volume of the substance, increases. We say that heat causes expansion. Expansion in solids. Solid expands on heating. We can take the following experiment to show expansion in solids. Take a ring and ball apparatus. This apparatus consists of a metal ring and a metal ball. At normal temperature, the ball just passes through the ring. Now, heat the ball and try to pass it through the ring. It will not pass through. The ball has expanded on heating. Cool the ball to normal temperature. It will pass through the ring again. Expansion in liquids. The molecules of a liquid are not so firmly bound to each other as in a solid. Therefore, students, on heating, their vibrations increases more than the vibrations of molecules of solids. The result is that liquids expand more than solids on heating. Expansion in liquid. So we'll now see the expansion in liquid experiment by an experiment. To see the expansion in liquids, see the following activity. Fill a flask up to the brim with water. Take a rubber cork with a hole in it and insert a narrow tube into the hole. Fix the cork firmly in the mouth of the flask. The liquid will rise a little in the tube. Note the level of the liquid. Heat the liquid. You will notice that the level of the liquid in the tube goes down initially as the flask gets heated first and expands. When the heat reaches the liquid, it expands and its level in the tube goes up. Cool the liquid to normal temperature. The level will go down again. The amount of expansion is different in different liquids for the same increase in temperature. Expansion in gases. On heating a gas, the vibrations of its molecules increases. Since the molecules are not bound to each other at all, the average distance between the molecules increases considerably. Hence, the expansion will be more in case of gases than in liquids or solids. Thus, gases expand more than liquids and solids on being heated. Expansion in gases experiment. To see the expansion in gases, see the following activity. Fill the flask with water. Fix the flask to a stand in an upside down position over a beaker of water so that the glass tube dips inside the water. Heat the flask at the top. As the air in the flask expands, it escapes out of the flask through the tube into the beaker containing water. Bubbles of air can be seen in the water. Cool the flask. As the air inside the flask contracts, the water rises up the tube. This shows that gas like air expands on heating and contracts on cooling. The another example expansion around us are railway tracks. The railway tracks over which trains run are made of iron. During summer, the iron expands to allow this expansion. Space has to be left between two sections of the rail tracks. If this is not done, expansion of the tracks can cause them to bend. This can cause serious accidents. So students, that's all for today. We will continue this chapter in another video. Thank you students and take care. So students, homework for all of you is that read page number 46, page number 47, page number 48 and page number 49 of your science textbook. Till then, take care and stay safe at your places. Thank you, my dear students.